Good morning, students. In the last class, we were discussing something on triangles, right? In today's class, we'll continue our discussion with the same topic, triangles. Write down. In the figure, write down all of you. In the figure, first question of today's class. In the figure, if PQ is equal to, if PQ parallel to RS, prove that. If PQ parallel to RS, prove that triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. You have to prove that triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. So, figure is given in the problem here. The sketch is given. It's given something like this. So, this is P, this is O, this is Q, and this is S, this is R. Is it okay? P, O, Q, S, R. So, like this. This is given in the problem. PQ is parallel to RS. That indication is told. Is it okay? Write down now. What is given in the problem now? See, given in the problem, what is given? PQ is parallel to RS. Write down now. PQ is parallel to RS. So, I may say angle QPO. So, in triangle, okay. Now, see here, in triangle, POQ, in triangle POQ and triangle ROS, angle POQ, that is equal to angle ROS. This is nothing but the concept of vertically opposite angles, correct? Now, you can see here, this is nothing but PQ parallel to RS. This implies to me that angle QPO, that is equal to angle OSR, that is equal to OSR. This is because of the concept of what angles now? Alternate angles. This is because of the concept of alternate angles. Okay, QPO is equal to OSR, and angle SRO, that is equal to angle OQP. This is because of the concept of alternate angles. Correct. So, I can say by angle similarity criteria, I can come to the conclusion that triangle POQ is similar to triangle, what is it? SOR. Right or not? Is similar to triangle SOR. Hence, proved will be the answer to the question. Very easy question to solve. Easy to understand also. Triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. Angle similarity criteria will give you the answer to the question. Is it okay? Easy to understand. Everybody write it down, complete this. Okay. From the figure, find angle P. From the figure, find angle P is the question asked. So, it's given in the problem like this. This is ABC, and this is given in the problem like this. Like this. Is it okay? So, this is given in the problem as ABC, and this is given R, and this is P, and this is Q. This angle is given in the problem as 60 degree. So, this is given measure 12, this is given 6 root 3, this is given 6 root 3, this is 6, 3 root 3, and then this is 3.8 given in the problem, 80 degree, here it's told 60 degree, here it's told. Now, question is asking you to calculate what is the value of angle P, is the question asked. Is it okay? All these details are given in the problem. You have to find out the measure of the angle P. So, in order to find out the measure of the angle P, first you have to establish that the given two triangles are what to each other? Similar to each other, right? Now, I can say answer from the figure, okay, from the figure, in triangle, ABC in triangle ABC and triangle ABC and triangle RQP, let's say angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to how much degree? 60 degree. Correct or not? AC divided by PR. AC divided by PR. That is equal to 3 root 3 divided by 6 root 3. That is equal to how much? 1 divided by 2. BC divided by PQ. That is equal to what is it? 6 divided by 12. That is equal to 1 divided by 2. That is equal to 1 divided by 2. That is equal to 1 divided by 2. Correct. So that is also equal to 1 by 2. So I may now say that AC by PR, BC by PQ is equal, right? AC by PR. So we can now come to the conclusion. We'll just go by what it's told in the textbook. And have they given the measure of any other side here? Let me see in the textbook, in the question. Yeah, it's told in the problem. 7.6 is told in the problem here. This data we have missed, okay? 7.6 we have missed. So I can say AB divided by QR, AB divided by QR, that is equal to AB divided by L, right? RQ, that is equal to, what is it? 3.8 divided by 7.6, that is again equal to 38 by 76, right? Multiply and divide by 10, again you will get 1 by 2. Therefore, I can now come to the conclusion that by side similarity, by side similarity criteria, SSS similarity criteria, I can come to the conclusion that triangle, you look here now, triangle ACB, triangle ACB is similar to triangle, ACB is similar to triangle Now what you have to do, students, you have to lift this part and place it on this triangle, right? So that is similar to triangle RPQ, right? Which means when you lift this triangle, turn it and keep it on this. This 3 root 3 and 3 root 3 will match, 6 and 12 will match, 3.8 and this one will match. So when you turn this triangle like this, when you turn this triangle, it will be of the form ACB. That is equal to what is it? Angle triangle RPQ, right? This implies to me that angle B will be equal to angle Q. That is already told in the problem here. Angle B is equal to angle Q. That is equal to how much degree? That is equal to 60 degree. Angle A is equal to angle R. Angle A should be equal to angle R should be equal to how much degree? 80 degree. So angle, therefore angle P that is equal to, and therefore angle P plus angle Q plus angle R should be equal to how much degree in triangle PQR? Let me say in triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is 180 degree. So angle P plus angle Q is 60 degree plus 80 degree, that is equal to how much? 180 degree. So your angle P plus 140 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. So your angle P will be equal to how much degree? 40 degree. This will be the answer to the question. Your angle P will be equal to how much degree? 40 degree will be the answer to the question. This is the answer. Angle P is equal to 40 degree. That's correct. Absolutely. 40 degree is the answer to the question. Everybody write it down correctly. Everybody must know how to write the similarity. Okay. If you write the similarity, then each vertex should match with the corresponding vertex. So you lift this triangle, turn it and then place it on this. So then what matches will be the corresponding vertices. Is it okay? Which are equal. All right. Moving on to the next question. In the figure, question number 3, in the figure, OA, in the figure OA into OB, in the figure OA into OB, that is equal to OC into OD, that is equal to OC into OD. Prove that angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Let's prove this. Prove that angle B is equal to angle D. So the sketch is shown in the figure like this. So this is nothing but A, O, D, B, C. A, O, D, B, C. Is that okay? What is given? What is given in the problem? Given in the problem that OA into OB, that is equal to OC into OD, right? So I can say OA divided by OD. This implies, look here, OA divided by OD. I'll get this part on the other side and I'll take this part on the other side. That is equal to OC divided by OB, right? OA by OD, that is equal to OC by OB. And also angle AOD, that is equal to angle BOC. This is because of the concept of what is it? Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, by side angle side similarity criteria, I can come to the conclusion that triangle AOD is similar to triangle OA divided by OD, that is equal to angle COB, triangle COB. This implies to me that angle A should be equal to angle C and angle B should be equal to angle D. Why is it? The reason being, corresponding angles of similar triangles, corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Do you follow? Hence proved. Hence proved will be the answer to the question. Hence proved will be the answer to the question. All of you try and understand this correctly. Easy to understand, easy to solve. These kinds of problems, easy. Okay. Moving on to the question number 4. Moving on to the question number 4. Moving on to the question number 4. Okay. A girl of height 90 centimeters, a girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of a lamp post, is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second, if the lamp is 3.6 meters above the ground, if the lamp is 3.6 meters above the ground, if the lamp is 3.6 meters above the ground, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds, comma, find the length of her shadow, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds, is the question asked. Okay, this is a very important question, students, mark it. This question will be asked in the exam for 3 marks. Okay, 3-mark question this is. What's told in the problem? Let's see. A girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. So the girl, this is the lamp post, okay, here there is a lamp which is kept like this, here there is a lamp which is kept. If the lamp is 3.6 meters above the ground, the lamp is 3.6 meters above the ground, alright, no? So let me call this is the point AO. A girl of height 90 centimeters, so this is the girl, alright, no? 90 centimeter means how much? 0.9 meters, right or not? 90 centimeter is 0.9 meters, because here it is in meters, here also you will convert it into meters. Okay, now when the shadow falls, the ray of light will fall from, okay, from the source. It will move like this, and this is how the shadow is formed on the ground, right? This angle will be equal to 90 degree, this angle also will be equal to 90 degree, correct? So let me mark this figure now. This is O, A, B, C, D, correct or not? O, A, B, C, D. Is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds, is the question asked. Which means, this girl is walking like this, at the speed of how much? What is the speed here? 1.2 meter per second, right? Let's see how to do this problem. What is given in the problem? Given from the figure, directly you write like this. First you draw the sketch and give the reference to the figure. From the figure, I can say OD is equal to 3.6 meters and AC is equal to 90 centimeter. That is equal to 90 divided by 100 of a meter, which is nothing but 0.9 meters, right or not? Now, 0.9 meters. So this height is how much? 0.9 meters. Okay. Now, what is the speed of the girl? Speed of the girl. How much is it given in the problem? 1.2 meter per second is told in the problem, correct? What is the speed of the girl given here? 1.2 meter per second. Okay. What's the time for which the girl moves? Time for which the girl moves. T is equal to how much? 4 seconds, right? 4 seconds. So therefore, distance traveled by the girl. So tell me, for 4 seconds distance traveled by the girl, for 4 seconds, OA, that is equal to 1.2 into 4, that is equal to how much is it? 4.8 meters, right? This part OA will be equal to how much? 4.8 meters. This is what we have got. Now we have to calculate what is the length of our shadow after 4 seconds, which means this will be the length of our shadow after 4 seconds, right? Let me say that the length of our shadow after 4 seconds be. Now the girl is here at the point A, her shadow is formed here. So AB is how much is the question asked, correct or not? Alright. So let's see. Let the length of the shadow of the girl be. Let the length of the shadow of the girl be. Let the length of the shadow. Let the length of the shadow of the girl be L meters. Let the length of the shadow of the girl be how much meters? L meters. So now I can come to the conclusion. Let the length of the shadow of the girl be L meters. Now in triangle, look here, in triangle DOB and triangle CAB, in triangle DOB and triangle CAB, angle DOB that is equal to angle CAB, that is equal to how much degree? That is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Angle DBO, that is equal to angle CBA. Okay. Why is it? This angle is called what angle now? This angle is nothing but the common angle, right? This angle is nothing but the common angle. Therefore, by angle similarity criteria, angle if you write is enough, because in a triangle only 3 angles are there. If 2 angles are equal, then the third angle should be obviously equal, right? So by angle similarity criteria, I can come to the conclusion that triangle DOB is similar to triangle CAB, right? Triangle DOB is similar to triangle CAB. So I can say this implies DO divided by CA should be equal to OB divided by what is it? AB, right? OB divided by AB. What is it? Ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. DO is 3.6 divided by 0.9, that is equal to what is OB? OB is how much? OB is nothing but 4.8 plus L divided by what is it? AB. AB is nothing but L. Okay, 36 by 9, that is equal to 4.8 plus L divided by L. Four into L, that is equal to 4.8 plus L. 4L minus L, that is equal to 4.8. 3L, that is equal to 4.8. So L, that is equal to 4.8 divided by 3. This is equal to what is it? 1.6 meters is the answer to the question. Correct or not? So what is the answer that you have got? Correct. Therefore, the length of the shadow of the girl after 4 seconds will be how much? 1.6 meters. Very important question this is from the exam's point. Therefore, the length of shadow of the girl, after 4 seconds, the length of shadow of the girl after 4 seconds is how much meters? Is 1.6 meters will be the answer to the question. The length of shadow of the girl after 4 seconds is how much? 1.6 meters is the answer to the question. Is it okay? This is how the answer to the question needs to be solved. Easy to understand, easy to solve. Next, let's go to the question number 5, right? 5 of today's class. We solved 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 questions we solved. Write down. In the figure, question number 5 of today's class. In the figure, all of you write down, students, be quick. In the figure, yes, we'll see this. In the figure, triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA, and angle BOC is equal to 15 degree. BOC is 125 degree, not 15 degree, 125 degree. Is it okay? And CDO and angle CDO, that is equal to, CDO is equal to 70 degree. Find angle DOC, find angle DOC, angle DCO, and angle OAB, and angle OAB. Is it okay? Angle OAB. So now in the figure is told in the problem, right? In the figure. So this is like this. In the figure it is like this. So we may see this way. So this is D, this is C, this is A, this is B, this is O. All right. This is nothing but 70 degree. This is nothing but 125 degree. Correct? 70 degree, 125 degree. Now, what is told in the problem in triangle ODC? Okay. Okay, given in the problem, triangle, triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA, correct? Is similar to triangle OBA. So I may say, this implies to me that, okay, wait, and first we'll write like this. Angle BOC is equal to 125 degree and angle CDO is equal to 70 degree. Now the question is asking you to calculate what is the value of DOC, question is asking you calculate the value of DCO, and the question is asking you to calculate what is the angle OAB. This is what is the question asked, right or not? Now in triangle, now if you see, DB is a straight line, right? DB is a straight line. DB is a what? DB is a straight line. So I can now say, if DB is a straight line, angle DOC plus angle COB plus angle COB, that is equal to how much degree? 180 degree. Angle DOC plus 125 degree, that is equal to 180 degree, correct? So angle DOC, that is equal to 180 degree minus of 125 degree. So what is the answer that we get? Angle DOC, that is equal to how much degree? 55 degree, correct? Angle DOC is how much degree? Angle DOC is equal to how much degree? 55 degree, correct? If angle DOC is 55 degree, which means this angle I got it as how much degree, students? 55 degree I got. Now in triangle DOC, I can say that angle DOC plus angle CDO plus angle DCO, that is equal to how much degree? That is equal to 180 degree. DOC is 55 degree, DCO is 70 degree, plus angle DCO, CDO is 70 degree, plus angle DCO is equal to how much degree? 180 degree. So your angle DCO, that is equal to 180 degree minus of, tell me, 125 degree. So what is your answer that we get for angle DCO? Your angle DCO is equal to how much degree? 55 degree, correct or not? Your angle DCO is equal to how much degree? 55 degree. Is it okay? Now since triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA, ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Angle DCO is equal to angle AOB. Question is asking you to calculate what is the value of angle OAB, right? OAB. I can say angle DCO, that is equal to angle OAB, that is equal to how much degree? 55 degree. Correct or not? Why? Corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. The reason being corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Okay, this will be the answer to the question. We have found out DCO, we have found out DOC here 55 degree we have found out, DCO we have found out it as 55 degree, and angle OAB is also found out as 55 degree. So the answer for all the three angles will be the same, 55 degree will be the answer to the question. Is it okay? All the answers will have all the questions will have the same answer. All right, now. Moving on to the question number 6 of today's class. Question number 6. Let's move on to the question number 6 of today's class. All of you make notes, students, correctly. Everybody make notes. Question number 6. Diagonals. Question number 6. Diagonals AC and BD. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD. With AB parallel to CD. Intersect each other at O. Okay, using a similarity criteria, for two triangles, comma, show that OA divided by OC, that is equal to OB divided by OD. This is what we have to show now. All right, now. Diagonal ABCD of a trapezium like this, in which trapezium means two sides are parallel, right? Two sides are parallel, two sides are oblique, means non-parallel. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. Okay, so we'll say like this, ABCD. All right, now ABCD. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium with AB parallel to CD. Intersect each other at the point O. Using a similarity criteria, show that OA by OC, that is equal to OB by OD. Now, what is given in the problem now? What is given in the problem? Given in the problem that ABCD is a trapezium. Given in the problem that ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Correct? This implies to me that angle ABO, wait, what we can do, we can write directly, in which AB is parallel to CD. Now, to prove, you have to prove that OA divided by OC, that is equal to OB divided by OD. Is it okay? Now, proof. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, AB is parallel to CD. This is what is given in the problem. Correct? AB is parallel to CD is given in the problem. So I can write angle ABO, that is equal to angle ODC. This is nothing but the pair of alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Similarly, angle BAO, that is equal to angle OCD. It's the same thing, alternate interior angles. And angle AOB, that is equal to angle COD. This is nothing but vertically opposite angles. Correct? This is nothing but vertically opposite angles. This is nothing but vertically opposite angles. So now we can come to the conclusion that this is a vertically opposite angle. Now I can come to the conclusion that by angle similarity criteria, by angle similarity, by angle similarity criteria, I can come to the conclusion that triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Triangle AOB is similar to triangle, what is it? COD. Triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. So this implies to me that OB divided by OD, that is equal to OB divided by OD, that is equal to OC divided by OA, or OA divided by OC, correct or not? Hence what? Hence proved will be the answer to the question. You can show that triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. So I can say that, OB divided by OD, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. So OB divided by OD, ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. So I'll write like this: ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles, ratio of corresponding sides of, for all the things what you write the reason, okay? Ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. Ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. This is the answer to the question. Easy to understand, easy to solve. Is it okay? Write down. A vertical pole of length, question number 7. A vertical pole of length 7 meters casts a shadow. A vertical pole of length 7 meters casts a shadow. A vertical pole of length 7 meters casts a shadow. 4 meter long on the ground, casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground. 4 meter long on the ground. Full stop. At the same time, a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. At the same time, comma, a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. A tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Full stop. Find the height of the tower is the question asked. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower is the question asked. So if you can see a vertical pole of length 7 meter, a vertical pole of length 7 meter casts a shadow which is 4 meter long. At the same time means the sun is at the same elevation. At the same time means the sun is at the same elevation. It casts a shadow. At the same time, this one will cast a shadow. What is it? A tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. A tower will cast a shadow how much meter long? 28 meter long. This is 4 meters. This is AB. Question is asking you to calculate what is the height of the tower. Let's say that this is the height of the tower A, B, C, D and E. Do you follow? A, B, C, D and E. Find the height of the tower is the question asked. Yes or no? Question is asking you to calculate what is the height of the tower. Question is asking you to calculate what is the height of the tower. So let's say let the height of the tower be, let the height of the tower be, let the height of the tower be capital H meters. Let the height of the tower be how much meters? H meters. Let the height of the tower be H meters. From the figure, I can say in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and triangle, what is it, DEC and triangle DEC, this angle and this angle will be equal to how much degree? 90 degree, 90 degree, right? I can say angle ABC that is equal to angle DEC that is equal to how much degree? 90 degree. And angle ACB that is equal to angle DBC that is equal to angle DCE that is equal to angle DCE. What is the meaning of this? This is the angle of elevation of the sun at the same time, right? Angle of elevation. See, this is the angle by which the sun is looked here. Angle of elevation of the sun at the same time. Elevation of the sun at the same time. Elevation means you look from the bottom to the top. Okay, with the horizontal from your eyes, if you are looking like this to the top, anything, then that is called angle of elevation. Angle of this elevation of the sun at the same time, right? At the same time. So this angle CD, this is angle ECD also, and angle BCA also will be the same, correct or not? Therefore, I can say by angle similarity criteria, therefore I can say by angle similarity criteria, I can come to the conclusion that triangle ABC is similar to triangle, what is it? Is similar to triangle DEC. Angle ABC is similar to triangle DEC, correct? So I can say AB by DE. So AB by DE that is equal to AB by DE that is equal to BC by EC. That is equal to BC by EC. So H by 7 that is equal to 28 divided by 4, right? H by 7 is equal to 28 divided by 4. Now the question is asking you to calculate what is the height of the tower is the question asked, right? The height of the tower will be equal to 28 divided by 4 into 7. So that is equal to 7 into 7, that is equal to how much meters? 49 meters will be the height of the tower. Just a minute, I will verify your answer from the textbook. A vertical pole of length 6 meters, right? Or this vertical pole of length 7 meters. Actually, it's given in the textbook, it is 6 meters, right? 6 meter is given in the problem. Okay, so you make this 6 into 6. So what is this answer that we get? 7 into 6, that is equal to 42 meters. 7 into 6 is equal to 42 meters will be the answer to the question. Yes, students, this much for today's class, okay? The remaining, let's continue in the next class. Thank you.